Do you want to know how you can log into your Elise AI? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Elise AI account. First of all, what you need to do is open any browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Elise AI login. Click on the first or the second link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Elise AI. Now, go ahead and write down your email, then write down your password. Make sure your email and password is correct and you have already registered to Elise AI. Then, click Login. This way you can successfully log into Elise AI. So, if you have forgotten your password, click on this link and it will help you recover your password as you enter your mail, and you will get a verification code which will help you to change your password once again. This was a video on how you can log into Elise AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.